Welcome to Passport to Everywhere. We're a community of individuals striving for geographic freedom. We post videos about the cost of living around the world, acquiring second citizenships and passports, and traveling the world on your own terms. Czechia, also known as the Czech Republic, is a beautiful landlocked country in Central Europe, known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and booming economy. Becoming a Czech citizen by naturalization is an attractive option for many individuals seeking to reap the benefits of this vibrant country. In this guide, we will discuss the naturalization process, Czech citizenship requirements, and everything you need to know about obtaining Czechia citizenship through naturalization. Naturalization is a legal process through which a foreign national can obtain Czechia citizenship by meeting specific requirements and fulfilling certain criteria. In this guide, we will focus on the naturalization process and its various aspects, such as residency duration, integration process, language proficiency, and more. Czechia's immigration laws are governed by the Ministry of Interior, MOI, which is responsible for regulating and implementing the country's immigration policies. The MOI oversees the citizenship applications and ensures that applicants meet the Czech citizenship requirements before granting citizenship. To be eligible for Czechia citizenship through naturalization, applicants must meet the following criteria. 1. Permanent residency. Applicants must have a valid permanent residence permit in Czechia. Generally, foreign nationals must have lived in the country for at least 5 consecutive years on a residence permit to qualify for permanent residency. However, for citizens of other European Union countries, the requirement is reduced to 3 years. 2. Residency duration. The duration of residency in Czechia is a crucial factor in the naturalization process. Applicants must prove that they have lived in the country for at least half of the duration of their permanent residency. However, absences of up to 2 months per year are allowed for specific reasons, such as pregnancy, illness, study, or work purposes. 3. Integration process. One of the main Czech citizenship requirements is the successful integration into Czech society. This includes having strong family ties, stable employment, and active social connections within the country. 4. Czech language proficiency. Applicants must demonstrate their proficiency in the Czech language by taking a language test. The required level of proficiency is B1, according to the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, CEFR. Some exceptions may apply for individuals who have already completed a certain level of education in the Czech language or those who are under 15 or over 65 years old. 5. Knowledge of Czech culture and history. A comprehensive understanding of Czech culture, history, geography, and society is essential for obtaining Czechia citizenship. Applicants must prove their knowledge by taking an exam that tests their understanding of these subjects. 6. Financial stability. Applicants must prove that they are financially stable and able to support themselves without relying on the Czech social support system. This includes providing income information for the past 3 years and documentation proving the applicant's ability to pay taxes in Czechia. 7. Good character and conduct. A clean criminal record is mandatory for obtaining Czechia citizenship. Applicants must not have violated any law regulations concerning taxes, social security, migration, health insurance, customs, or any other area within the last 3 years. 8. No dependence on social support system. Applicants should not be dependent on the Czech social support system unless they have a valid reason, such as pregnancy, illness, or disability. The application process for Czechia citizenship involves submitting the required documentation and completing the necessary steps at the designated authorities, such as regional offices or Czech embassies abroad. Applicants must gather all the necessary documents, including birth certificate, marriage certificate, if applicable, permanent residency proof, criminal clearance report, proof of Czech language proficiency, confirmation of study, if applicable. Income information for the past 3 years. All documents issued by foreign countries must be translated into the Czech language and duly authenticated. Depending on the applicant's location, the Czechia citizenship application must be submitted to one of the following authorities: Municipal Authority for applicants living in Prague, Regional Authority Office for applicants living elsewhere in Czechia, Czech Embassy or Consulate for applicants living abroad. The Ministry of Interior, MOI, reviews the citizenship application, and the local authorities have 30 days to forward it to the MOI. The MOI then has 180 days to make a decision and notify the applicant by post. Once citizenship is granted, successful applicants must attend a citizenship ceremony where they will take an oath of allegiance to the Czech Republic. After the ceremony, they will receive their Czech citizenship certificate. Since 2014, Czechia allows dual citizenship for its citizens. This means that individuals can hold both their original country's passport and a Czech passport, provided their country of origin also permits dual citizenship. Czechia citizenship comes with numerous benefits, including the right to live, work, and study in 28 different EU member countries, visa-free travel to 185 countries, access to a high standard of living, excellent healthcare and education systems, enjoying the beauty, culture, and history of Czechia. In some cases, exceptions and exemptions may apply to the Czech citizenship requirements. These may include individuals who have completed a certain level of education in the Czech language, those who are under 15 or over 65 years old, or those with specific health difficulties that prevent them from learning the Czech language. In conclusion, obtaining Czechia citizenship by naturalization is a rewarding process that opens up numerous opportunities and benefits for successful applicants. By understanding the requirements, gathering the necessary documentation, and following the application process diligently, individuals can become proud citizens of this beautiful and thriving European nation. Thanks for watching. We hope you found the information useful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And if there's anyone you know who might be interested in this video, be sure to share it with them. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring.